call is now.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah,
Good afternoon, sir.
yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah. Just wait for 2 minutes for your friends to join, and then I will begin the class. Prasenjit Sarkar,
Yes, sir.
you are in section A, right? Sorry, section B, right?
Sir,
And
section
you
B.
already attended my class in the morning, right?
Right, sir.
Why you are joined now?
सर हम हमारे और कोई क्लास नहीं है इसलिए समझा घुस के इस लिंक पे घुस के कुछ
Okay.
सुन लो.
Acha, okay. Okay, not an issue then. Okay, so let's begin. Okay.
सर हम तो सोचते हैं कब खत्म होगा.
अच्छा. everybody
और
has
ये दूसरे सेक्शन पे आके क्लास करता है.
अरे भाई आज का एमबी खत्म नहीं हुआ इसलिए.
अरे ब्रो
Okay,
यू आर
okay.
नाइस ब्रो यू आर टैलेंटेड.
नो ब्रो नॉट टैलेंटेड.
Okay. Okay. So as far as we have overcome is cover up the syllabus, right? Regarding the happy pins. So now we have the first reference, right? The first person whom the swallow, as per the advice of the happy prince, he has helped that woman, right? Let me ask you few questions. I hope you all remember, right? What we all discussed in the last class. Okay.
Yes sir.
Who's there? Okay. Tell me one thing. What was the first gift? What was the first thing the happy prince told swallow to take and to give to someone? What was the first thing?
Sir from his sword the ruby sir.
Yes, from his sword, the ruby. Yes. And okay, tell me one more answer. Why did the swallow didn't like the voice? Why did the swallow didn't like the voice?
Sir the not like
Yes, say again.
Riverside no while he was there.
Hmm.
Sir earlier two boys the miller's son they were throwing stones on him so that's why
Yes, that's why he didn't like.
she doesn't like the boys. He or she.
Yeah. Now see, in the morning somebody asked me what is the meaning of the word swallow. Right. See, swallow, shallow, swallow. These three are different. Swallow. What is the meaning of swallow?
सर सोलो तो हम लोग कुछ जब कुछ खाते हैं.
हाँ. When we nimble something.
When we eat something, we'll swallow this thing.
Yeah. Suppose you have swallowed a chewing-gum. A child has swallowed a chocolate.
Yes, sir.
That is called swallow. And what is shallow? What is shallow?
So what is shallow?
Yes, shallow. What is the meaning of shallow?
सर नदी के पास उठने वाला छोटा सा पौधा.
Say again. Say again.
नदी के पास उठने वाला छोटा सा पौधा.
No.
नहीं.
Not that.
An area. No. नदी के किनारे वाला area. Area. An area of the sea or a lake.
Sir, a river where the water is not very deep.
Yeah.
या मैं तो वही बोल रहा हूँ सर. नदी का किनारा या लेक का किनारा.
Not kinara. See, whenever we say this area, this water body is deep. This gehra hai usko. right? And when we say that water body is shallow, now shallow, what does it mean? Shallow means छिछला means कम गहरा जिसको कहते हैं ना. That we say means the opposite of deep is shallow itself. Okay? Shallow means it is opposite of deep, means जो कम गहरा हो. And what is the meaning of swallow?
Sir, migrating bird.
Yes, absolutely correct. They are the migrating bird about whom you are studying in the class. Okay? Now come back to the top. So the first person was the poor lady and his son who was suffering from fever and hunger. Now after the swallow has had the happy prince, he has slept near his feet and the next day. Okay. Now we'll begin my lecture from this point. When day broke, he flew down to the river and had a bath. तो जब दिन हुई तो वो उठा और नहाने चला गया. What a remarkable phenomenon, said the professor of ornithology as he was passing over the ridge. Have I covered all this?
Yes, sir. This part you have covered from up to there are no swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Will you not stay with me one night longer? Up to this.
Okay. See. Yes, correct. Now again, that day, the swallow has roamed all around the city, and he has decided that now he will go to Egypt. Since the winter has already come and he cannot live in that place any longer. So he says, swallow, little. But also he comes to the happy prince to say goodbye to him. Have you any commissions for Egypt? He cried. I'm just starting. Yeah, he asked कि तुम्हें कुछ कहना है, कुछ करना है क्या इजिप्ट में? तो मुझे बोल दो. I'm going. I am just starting. Swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Will you not stay with me one night longer? Now the prince again requests swallow to stay with him. I am waited for in Egypt, said the swallow. Tomorrow my friends will fly up to the second cataract. The river horse couches there among the bulrushes, and on a great granite throne sits the gold Memnon. Now here you will have a reference to a mythical god Memnon. Okay. Now he is just referring to a temple, saying that my friends must be there and they are building their nest. Now if I am not there, then it would be very difficult for me, right? All night long he watches the stars, and when the morning star shines, he utters one cry of joy. And then he is silent. It's all about God Memnon he is speaking about. Okay. At noon, the yellow lions come down to the water edges to drink. Again, it's an Egyptian description that near the water body, and the yellow lions, they come to drink water. They have eyes like green beryls, and their roar is louder than roar of the cataract. Swallow, little swallow. See, throughout the story, you will find that the happy prince never understands what the swallow wants, what he is saying about Egypt. He always says, will you help me? And then he just commands. He never asks, swallow, will you help me or not? Right. Now how he just gives command? What is in Bevecho? How can a person give you command without your consent? तुमसे बिना पूछे कैसे तुम्हें अपना कुछ काम सौंप सकता है? You may think, right? Why it is so? The thing is that now, see, whenever he asks, will you stay with me one night longer? And then it is followed by a question mark. You see, after that itself, the swallow gives a description about Egypt and the various references. In the first reference, it tells about the king. Here you see, he is speaking about God Memnon and the lion and others. Why it is so? Whenever a person
Sir,
is not able to... Memnon is a god, okay, is a mythical god. एक तरह का भगवान है वो. So the thing is that if a person is not able to deny anything, no, he will give different kinds of description. What does it mean? If he is giving the description, that means is not powerful enough. Means he has half-hearted willingness to do that work. So that's why the person who is opposite to him and more powerful, he will just say the thing. Okay, you do this thing, you do that thing. And the other person will have to follow it. The same is the case with the swallow. See, every time the prince says, will you stay with me one night? He gives a description. That means he half-heartedly agreed to help the happy prince. So that's why happy prince, after listening to his description, is able to say something to him, to give his commandment. Now say, what is the second commandment he gives to the swallow? Here we are. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Far away across the city, I see a young man in a carriage. शहर की दूर पे देखता हूँ क्या एक यंग आदमी है जो अपने गैरेट में बैठा हुआ है. What is a garret? Garret is a kind of place, right? Which is covered by, which is not properly made, right? It is basically you can say a bachelor's house, something like that. Okay. I see a young man in a garret. He is leaning over a desk covered with papers. Now, what is the meaning of the word leaning? This word, leaning. See, in our class, sometimes when you were in your school, teacher usually used to say head down. Heads down. है ना? Bench पे head down कर लो. That is in English called leaning. So he was just leaning over the desk and his desk was covered with papers. And in a tumbler of his side, there is a bunch of withered violets. What is the meaning of withered violets? See, withered. The very word withered means dry. Okay. And violet is a flower. Tumbler means a flower pot. So the other side the boy had a tumbler where dried violet flowers are kept. His hair is brown and crisp. बाल जो है घुंघराले हैं और एकदम भूरे रंग कलर के हैं. So brown color. And his lips are red as a pomegranate. And he has large and dreamy eyes. He's trying to finish a play for the director of the theater. वो क्या है लड़का? He is actually a writer. But he is too cold to write anymore. लेकिन वो कुछ खाया नहीं है बहुत दिनों से, इसीलिए उसके शरीर में गर्मी भी नहीं है, ठंड का भी मौसम है, इसलिए वो कुछ लिख नहीं पा रहा. There is no fire in the grate. उसके घर पे कहीं आग भी नहीं है. And hunger has made him faint. और भूख के कारण उसका माथा चक्कर दे रहा है. Faint मतलब चक्कर देना, घूमना, माथा घूरे जाओ. I will wait with you one night longer, said the swallow. The swallow agrees, okay, I will wait for you one night longer. Who really had a good heart. Swallow का सच में बहुत अच्छा दिल था, इसलिए बोलता है ठीक है मैं रुक जाऊंगा. Shall I take him another ruby? तो swallow से पूछता है क्या मैं दूसरा रूबी ले सकता हूँ? Now tell me why he asked this question from the happy prince.
Sir, because he had first donated his ruby of the sort to that little boy with his mother, who was suffering from fever and hungriness.
Yes.
He thought that again he will donate him another ruby of that.
Yes, correct, absolutely correct. First time the swallow gave a ruby to that woman. So the next time when the happy prince is asking for a help from swallow, the swallow says, okay, can I give another ruby? It's very common. So in reply, the happy prince says, alas, I have no ruby now. काश ऐसा होता, लेकिन I'm sorry, I don't have any ruby now, said the prince. My eyes are all that I have left. मेरे सिर्फ आंखें ही बची हैं मेरे पास. They are made of rare sapphires. What is a sapphire? Sapphire is a kind of gems which is actually a blue color. Okay. And what is the meaning of rare? R-A-R-E. Rare means कभी कभी. ठीक है. Hardly. It's तो बहुत कम ही वो sapphire मिलते हैं. इतने प्रीसियस है वो. Which were brought out of India 1000 years ago. जो सालों हजारों साल पहले इंडिया से लाया गया था. Look out one of them and take it to him. पेक उससे निकाल लो, उनको दे दो. He will sell it to the jeweler and buy food and firewood and finish his day. तो क्या करेगा? वो ज्वेलर को दे देगा, जिसको बेच के वो खाना भी खरीद ले सकता है, अपने घर में आग भी जला सकता है और अपने लिए भी लिख सकेगा. Dear prince, said the swallow, I cannot do that. And he began to weep. तो कहता है कि नहीं प्रिंस, ऐसा नहीं सकता है, तुम्हारी आंखें नहीं निकाल सकता. और इतना कह के वो रोने लगता है. ओके. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Do as I command you. वो कहता है मैं जैसा कहता तुम वैसा ही करो. So the swallow plucked out the happy prince's eyes and flew away to the student's garage. वो क्या करता है? वो आँख निकाल लेता है उसका, हैप्पी प्रिंस का एक आँख, और स्टूडेंट बैरक की तरफ उड़ के चला जाता है. It was easy enough to get in. ये बहुत आसान हुआ था उसके लिए उसके घर पे ढुकना. किसके? वो लड़के के घर पे. क्यों? As there was a hole in the roof. क्योंकि छत पे एक छेद.
Sir, the boy of the professor.
No, the boy. The professor is not there. The professor story has वहीं पे खत्म. वो कुछ लिखा, लोग समझ नहीं पाए. That's it. There is no professor over here. So the swallow takes out that goes inside that garret with the because of there is a hole in the on the roof. So through this he darted. उससे वो ढुक जाता है. Came into the room और रूम में वापस दाखिला मिल जाता है उसे. The young man had his head buried in his hands. वो क्या, जो आदमी जो था ना वहाँ पे, वो he had just buried both his hands. अपने दोनों हाथों में अपने चेहरे को छुपाए हुए रहता है. So he did not hear the flutter of the bird's wing. इसलिए पंखों की आवाज को सुन नहीं पाता. And when he looked up, he found the beautiful sapphire lying on the withered violets. और जब वो उठता है, देखता क्या है? एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सफायर उसके सूखे हुए वायलेट फूलों के ऊपर पड़ा हुआ है. I am beginning to be appreciated, he cried. लगता है लोग मुझसे खुश हैं. This is from one of my admirer. और उनमें से खुश होके जो एक admirer है, उन्होंने ही मुझे गिफ्ट दिया है. ऐसा वो सोचता है. Now I can finish my play. अब मैं अपना प्ले लिखकर खत्म कर सकता हूँ. And he looked quite happy. और वो बहुत काफी खुश हो गया इसको पाकर. The next day, the swallow flew down to the harbor. Now, what is a harbor? Anyone? What is a harbor? Harbor is actually a seaport. Just like airport, जहाँ पे एयरप्लेन आती हैं, लोग उसमें चढ़ते हैं, उतरते हैं, सामान रखा जाता है, लादा जाता है, उतारा जाता है. उसी तरह सी पोर्ट भी होता है. ठीक है, जहाँ बड़े बड़े जहाज आते हैं. That is called harbor. Okay. He sat on the mast of a large vessel. एक बहुत बड़ा नाव था. उसके ठीक उसमें एक जो बम पोल था, उस पे जाके वो बैठ जाता है. कहाँ गया? Okay. He sat on the mast of a large vessel and watched the sailors hauling big chests out of the hold with ropes. और देखता क्या है कि बहुत सारे सेलर्स मिलके वो झंडा टानते हैं ना नाव का पे, तो उसको टान रहे हैं, रस्सी को टान रहे हैं और चिल्ला रहे हैं. क्या चिल्ला रहे हैं? दम लगा के आयशा. इसे इन हिंदी, राइट? बट इन इंग्लिश इट इज कॉल्ड ही वह हो. वो जो इंग्लिश हिंदी में कहते हैं ना हम लोग दम लगा के आयशा, उसको इंग्लिश में कहते हैं ही वह हो. ओके, मस्ट रिमेम्बर. They shouted as each chest came up. जैसे जैसे वो चिल्ला रहे थे वैसे वैसे वो तान रहे थे. I am going to Egypt, cried the swallow. और swallow जो है उसके बीच में जाकर के चिल्ला के कहता है कि मैं इजिप्ट जा रहा हूँ. But nobody minded, लेकिन कोई सुनता नहीं उसकी बात को. And when the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. और जैसे ही चांद होता है आता है ऊपर आसमान में, वो दौड़ के हैप्पी प्रिंस के पास वापस चला जाता है. I am come to bid you goodbye, he cried. मैं आया हूँ वापस तुम्हें goodbye कहने के लिए. The swallow says to the happy prince. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Will you not stay with me one night longer? क्या तुम मेरे साथ एक रात और नहीं रुक सकते? It is winter, answered the swallow. अब ठंड आ गई है, swallow कहता है. And the chill snow now will soon be here. और बर्फ की ठंडी हवा भी यहाँ कुछ दिनों में आ जाएगी. In Egypt, the sun is warm on the green palm trees. इजिप्ट में अभी भी सूरज की रोशनी बहुत चमक रही है. कहाँ पे? ग्रीन palm trees के ऊपर. And the crocodiles lie in the mud. और crocodile अभी भी आराम कर रहे हैं मट्टी में. Look lazily about them. My companions are building a nest in the temple of Baalbek. उसके जो दोस्त हैं वो बाल्बिक के टेम्पल पे अपना घोंसला बना रहे हैं. And the pink and white doves are watching them. और पिंक और सादा जो डव है वो उनको देख रही है. And cooing to each other, दोनों मिलके एक दूसरे के लिए गाना गा रहे हैं. Dear Prince, I must leave you. कहता है मुझे जाना ही पड़ेगा. But I will never forget you. And लेकिन मैं कभी तुम्हें भूलूंगा नहीं. And next spring, I will bring you back with two beautiful jewels in place of those you have given away. जो तुमने दे दिया है उनके बदले मैं तुम्हारे लिए बहुत से खूबसूरत दो ज्वेलरीज लाऊंगा, दो जेम्स लाऊंगा. The ruby shall be redder than a red rose. ऐसा रूबी लाऊंगा जो एक लाल गुलाब से भी ज्यादा लाल हो. And the sapphire shall be as blue as the great sea. और sapphire उतना ही नीला होगा जैसा कि नीला समुद्र है. In the square below, लेकिन देखो happy prince, he doesn't pay any heed to whatever the swallow is saying. He just says, he gives his command. This is the third commandment. Okay, he says, in the square below, said the happy prince, there stands a little match girl. वहाँ पे एक छोटी सी बच्ची जो माचिस बेचती है. He has let her matches fall in the gutter. उसको सारा माचिस जो है गटर में गिर गया. And they are all spoiled. सभी बर्बाद हो गए. Her father will beat her if she does not bring home some money. और अगर कुछ वो पैसा कमा के नहीं गई तो उसके पिता उसको बहुत पीटेंगे. And she is crying. इससे वो रो रही है. She has no shoes or stocking. उसके पास कपड़े भी नहीं है ठीक ठाक, जूते भी नहीं है. And her little hand is bare. उसके छोटा हाथों में छाला पड़े. हाँ जो सर है उसमें भी कुछ है नहीं है, हमें स्कार्फ वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं है जो उसे ठंड से बचा सके. Plug out my other eye and give it to her. Her father will not beat her. तुम एक काम करो, मेरा दूसरी आंखें भी निकाल लो और उसे दे दो. उसके पिताजी उसको नहीं मारेंगे. In reply, the swallow says, I'll stay with you one night longer. कहता है कि ठीक है मैं आपके साथ और एक रात रुक जाऊंगा. But I cannot pluck out your eye. लेकिन मैं आपका आंख नहीं निकाल सकता. You would be quite blind. क्योंकि मैं अगर वो कर दूं तो आप पूरी तरह से अंधे हो जाएंगे. Okay. But the happy says, Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Do as I command you. मैं जैसे बोलता हूँ वैसा ही करो. So he plucked out the prince's other eye and darted down with it. उसकी वो आँख निकाल लेता है, उसको जाके दे देता है. He slipped past the magic girl, slipped the jewel into the palm of her hand. वो जाता है उसके हाथ की हथेली पे वो ज्वेल रख देता है. What a lovely piece of glass, cried the little girl. तो जो छोटी सी बच्ची रहती है वो खुश हो जाती है. क्यों? पहली बार उस देखी है और भी इतना बड़ा कांच. She ran home laughing. और खुशी खुशी होकर वापस लौट जाती है. Then the swallow come back to the prince. You are blind now, he said. So I will stay with you always. लेकिन swallow जो है वो change हो जाता है. Earlier he always used to think himself that he would go to Egypt, but now his thinking has changed, and he says from now onwards he is going to stay with them. No, little swallow, said the poor prince. You must go to Egypt. नहीं नहीं, तुम्हें इजिप्ट जाना ही पड़ेगा. The happy prince said to swallow. I will stay with you always, said the swallow. And he sipped at the prince's feet. कहता है कि मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे पास ही रहूंगा, और प्रिंस के पैर के नीचे सो जाता है. Okay. Next day, he sat on the prince's shoulder and told him stories of what he had seen in strange lands. तो नेक्स्ट डे जो है वो swallow जो है अपना कहानी प्रिंस को सुनाने लगता है. And here you will have what are the stories we have for the prince. Okay, this paragraph. So for today's class, up till this much. So please open your copy and book, everyone. Understood till now?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay. Now open your copy and book. All of you are ready with your copy and book? Copy and pen?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay. 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 I hope it's visible.
Yes, sir.
The first question is,
Sir,
yes, say, bolo.
sir, these questions from first.
Yeah. Who was the second person whom the swallow helped? How many rupees did the happy prince have? What happened with the little girl? Why was the swallow not ready to leave the happy prince? Okay. Write this question in your copy first. Done, everyone?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, written.
Okay. Now the fifth is, with what jewels the happy prince's eyes are made of? Okay. Now answer the first question.
Sir, wait a minute, sir.
Okay. Okay.
sir, done.
Done? Okay. Say, who was the second person whom the swallow helped?
Sir, the boy who was writing something for a drama or something.
Yeah, who was writing the script for the drama theatre?
Drama, yeah.
Oh. How many rubies are there with the Happy Prince?
Sir, one.
What had happened with the little girl?
Sir, no, sir, which little girl?
Are in the
Oh,
story that?
yeah, sir, I remember.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, she was selling the matchbox. Later, her all matchbox have fallen in the gutter, and they were all spoiled. And she was crying because her father will beat her
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
if she does not take home some money.
Correct. Why was the swallow not ready to leave the Happy Prince?
Because he was blind.
Yes. Since Happy Prince become blind, so the swallow didn't want to leave the Happy Prince. With what jewels the Happy Prince's eyes are made of?
Sapphire.
Sapphires. Correct. So you understood how the story? Anybody do you have any problem
No,
or
sir.
anything you want to clear or ask? Then you may.
No, sir. All
Okay.
clear.
Okay, then I will take your attendance. Response to roll call.
Present, sir.
Call your name first. You can call your name. Huh? Okay, and Devjit Das,
Yes, sir.
Vijit Anand Das.
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
Okay. Hi, Dewa.
Yes, sir.
Megha Majumdar, Diptanu Das, Devajit Sil.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Diptanu Das. Okay. Papai Pal. Papai Pal. He was. Okay. Arjun Dev Verma. Arjun Dev Verma. Kubankar Sutradhar. Ajay Devnath.
Present, sir.
Komal Dev Verma. Sunesh Dev Verma. Aradhana Sheel. Karan Kumar Chaube.
Yes, sir.
Pritam Devnath.
Present, sir.
Angel Dev Verma. Rahul Dev Verma. Juthan Bose.
Yes, sir.
Rohit Ghosh.
Present, sir.
Abhinav Hussain.
Present, sir.
Alamgir Hussain. Anand Rao. Litan Mama.
Present, sir.
Joel Sarkar.
Sir, I have gone out of the class. Network problem was there. Did you tell my name?
No, not here. Pratim Acharji. Akash Nath.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Okay. Shyam Sinha. Deepraj Roy. Ram Singha.
Yes, sir.
Nandita Urang,
Yes, sir.
Shantimoy Singha,
Present, sir.
Sanjeet Shil, Deepmala Bhaumik,
Yes, sir.
Udesh Debnath,
Present, sir.
okay, Navajyoti Devroy, MD Yasin Khan, Neelabji Dev,
Present, sir.
Ayun Saha, Paramita Devnath, Tabuj Mia,
Present, sir.
Rahul Das,
Yes, sir.
Aparna Devnath,
Yes, sir.
Prantik Patari,
Present, sir.
Sagar Majumdar, Tania Das,
Yes, sir.
Manoj Das, Uday Chetri, Mohammad Mujahideen Islam,
Yes, sir.
Dipanjan Chakrabarti, okay, Rajdeep Das, Piyas Ranjan Dutta,
Present, sir.
Tapti Das, Tabajit
Present,
Das,
sir.
okay,
Yes, sir.
Tabaj, Sital De,
Yes, sir.
Sumoy Devarma,
Yes, sir.
okay, Adhara Nandi Majumdar, okay, Rajat Sarkar, Rajat Sarkar, Pranul Jamal, Pranul Jamal, Mr. Sarkar,
Yes, sir.
Vinod Das, Ishmita Das,
Yes, sir.
okay, okay, thank you everyone, thanks a lot, now you can leave the class.
Sir, you can leave the class.
Yeah, you can leave the class. You can leave the class, everyone. Yeah.